Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Fusion hybrid battery. First, ensure your safety by wearing insulated gloves and safety glasses. Always disconnect the 12-volt battery before working on the high-voltage system. This critical step prevents electrical shock and protects you from potential hazards. Working with hybrid batteries involves significant risks, so proceed with utmost care and attention to detail. Now, let's access the hybrid battery. You'll find it located in the trunk area of your Ford Fusion. Carefully remove any trim panels and carpeting that cover the battery compartment. Once exposed, locate and disconnect the high-voltage service plug. This further isolates the high-voltage system, making it safer to proceed with the removal of the old battery pack. With the battery exposed and disconnected, it's time to remove the old unit. Unbolt all the mounting brackets and fasteners securing the battery in place. Double-check that all electrical connectors and cooling lines are detached. The hybrid battery is quite heavy, often weighing over 100 pounds, so use proper lifting techniques or get assistance to safely remove it from the vehicle. Finally, let's install your new hybrid battery. Carefully lower the replacement battery into its designated spot, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reconnect all electrical connectors and cooling lines, making sure they are secure. Bolt down the battery mounting brackets firmly. Once everything is connected and secured, reinstall the trim panels and carpeting, and then reconnect the 12-volt battery to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.